top of your reasons why, a timeline, how and who. So the 7 steps we'll go through later are these. Step 1, dream. What do you want to achieve? And then the second step, order. You may have many things you want to achieve, but what's the priority? Because there will be one thing that's always more important than the other things. Step 3, draw it, map it out. And we've got some templates we're going to use to create the goal maps later. Step 4, why do you want it? What are your main motivating reasons? Step 5, when? What's the time frame? Step 6, how? Step 7, who's going to be involved? These 7 steps are the 7 critical aspects of conscious achievement. Sometimes we achieve things unconsciously. But if you're setting out to make a plan to do something you haven't yet achieved, you need to go through these 7 steps of asking yourself, well, what is it? What's the priority? What does it look like? Why do I want it? When, how, and who? Go through these 7 steps, out pops your map. Now, this is one of mine. This is my main map. My big goal is I want to help lift 7 million lives. At a time when my life was looking really, really dark, somebody helped me beyond the level that he needed to. He weren't being paid for it. He decided to help me move forward. And not only was it life-changing, it was probably life-saving because I was going down a very dark path.